Hi guys, my name is Elena. Welcome back to another AI tutorial video brought to you by Advertising is Simple. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to an AI tool called MEM, M-E-M. This is a note-taking app that goes beyond the ordinary, revolutionizing the way you organize your notes effortlessly. MEM has the ability to understand your contacts and seamlessly integrates with your calendar, allowing it to organize your notes accordingly. A feature that truly sets it apart as one of the most intelligent note-taking tools available. Now, whether you're a business owner overseeing operations or a professional working in an office environment, MEM has the potential to be a true lifesaver for you. Imagine having a tool that not only streamlines note-taking, but also adapts to your schedule and priorities. This makes it a great asset for various scenarios, from internal meetings to sale pitches and interviews. And that's a wrap for this tutorial video on MEM. Stay tuned for our next video on trending AI marketing tools.